she okay?
What's happening?
Gentleman.
Yeah.
It's important for a man to know what he stands for in life.
A man who not believe himself is twice defeated.
You see it.
Let him down to be deleted.
Live your life the way you want.
The way you want it.
And I live my life the way I ought
The way how I want it.
You know what's right, so you gotta be real and true to yourself.
Oh yes.
Live your life, but you gotta stay real and true to yourself. Everybody wanna say what's right, but you gotta be real and true to yourself. Only got one life, so you gotta stay real and true to yourself.
Me and me, nothing can't change that, tell them again. Me and my God create, that's a me and me. Me and me can never make another one. Negative thoughts no make me a lesser man. C'est la vie, me follow my own destiny. And anything you see, you get simplicity. Simply sample me, imperfect example me. Me love all of my thoughts cause them belong to me.
Too many people live a life of lies. Too many try to kill the truth like flies. Too many compromise. Many egos swell up to oversize. Can't step in at the footsteps of Christ when they go sudden. Wise up and be fearless. And God will never let you down from you. No sit down and be careless. Don't neglect your awareness. So you keep going on, yeah.
You know what's right, so you gotta be real and true to yourself. Live your life, but you gotta stay real and true to yourself. Everybody wanna say what's right, but you gotta be real and true to yourself.
Oh, yes.
Only got one life, so you gotta stay real and true to yourself.
Me never shame because I'm proud of who me is. Me never live no lie, the truth it is. A man can only be himself, that's who he is. No run from yourself, no be a fugitive. Enough of them out there, them not a mind, not them own. Them float around mindlessly like a drone. If them could make themselves, them do it like a clone. Listen, in the clone.
Watch the animosity you come on a promote. Can't control yourself, you control by remote. And when we still love, that you say you would devote. And when we go to separate the sheep from the goat. Fear the negativity, this is the antidote. Sometimes me have to wonder how the sufferers cope. But from you have life, then you have hope. Now make your future gone up in the smoke.